So first of all, what I'm showing you here are two floor plans from Walton Wood Royal Oak. And you're going to notice one thing right off the bat. It's not dimensional. You don't have the exact measurement of this wall. You don't have everything that you would need to really create the floor plan. But this is what you'll be given when you initially tour with Andrea. A plan like this, just to kind of show the flow and maybe the overall square footage of the unit. Now, what I want you to look at is, let me move this over a smidge. In this apartment, the way you enter is right through this door here. Then you have a closet here, and you can tell where the windows are. And then you're coming over here, and this is the bedroom space. Notice how you have two areas that you think might be suitable for the bed. Well, this one is the one that's usually chosen, but this little nook, as we move forward with talking about space planning, I want you to remember this nook. It has a wealth of opportunities. You can create it a little vanity space here for makeup, hair kind of thing, getting dressed. You can do an extra clothes rack and a small desk in this area. You can make a little sitting nook, reading nook. So remember little nooks like this because it's the way that you can personalize the space to your parent who has a wide amount of interests but a small amount of space. So we want to prioritize the interests and we want to create things that are using furniture that maybe is portable, movable, collapsible, because then you can shift and shape the space to fit whatever you're working on.